Today I'm going to show you how to make easy brownie bites using the Betty Crocker Chocolate Chunk Brownie Mix. I'm going to share my tips on how long to bake them for to get that nice fudgy brownie bite and how to prevent these brownie bites from sticking to the pan. So let's get started. We are going to empty 1/4 cup of water into a mixing bowl, and I like to use a mixing bowl with a spout, and I'll show you why later. Next, we're going to add 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and finally 1 egg. Then we're going to mix these ingredients together until combined. And then I'm going to add the package of brownie mix. And stir until fully combined. We are going to scrape the bottom and the sides of the bowl to make sure that the ingredients are fully combined. Now let's get our baking pan ready. Today I'm using a non-stick 24-cup mini muffin pan. To make sure that the brownie bites do not stick to the pan, I'm going to use the Pam baking spray. It's a non-stick baking spray that will allow our brownie bites to come out very easily. To see the products and tools that I use in this video, check out the description box below. Next, we're going to pour the brownie batter into the baking pan. Now, if you don't have a mixing bowl with a spout, you could use a spoon or a small ice cream scoop. You want to fill each cup 3/4 full, which is slightly below the top edge. Try to keep them as consistent as possible so that they all bake evenly. And we're just going to fill all the cups of the baking pan. Now, let's put our brownie bites into a preheated oven. On the back of the box, it says to put our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. However, I like to reduce my temperature by 25 degrees, so I set my oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows my brownie bites to bake more evenly and have a flatter top. To get fudgy brownie bites, we are going to bake them for 12 minutes, remove them from the oven, and then do a toothpick test. So I'm going to insert a toothpick into the center of the brownie bite, pull it out, and it should be almost clean, such as this. Then we're going to let the brownie bites cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Now let's remove the brownie bites. I'm simply going to turn them and pop them out. And look at that, they did not stick at all. It is so simple to get these out. I'm just going to remove them all from the pan. And look how these brownies turned out. They look just like the ones that you buy from the store. And when we bite into them, look at that fudgy center. So delicious and yummy, I don't think you can just have one. If you enjoyed making these brownie bites with me today, check out my other videos. Happy baking!